Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark Azucena, your Las Vegas realtor with Simply Vegas. And as you can see behind me, this is a Blue Heron community called Stonewater. We're located in the master plan community of Southern Highlands, where I live at. And today we're going to tour this Stonewater, a beer Alta model. And it's the same model that's located in Lake Las Vegas, but they have one here in Southern Highlands. And if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we're gonna take a look at this house and get the tour started. See you there. All right, guys. So this is just the model home, and I told you it's the Beer Alta 3-story home. Now this area right here is normally your garage driveway, but since it's the model home, that right there is the office. And so it looks like that. This home was sold. See how there's a garage over here? Beautiful modern architecture. This lot right here was just recently sold. Now, the lot premiums for this is crazy. $200,000. See right here, sold. It doesn't look like they're gonna have much of a backyard. All right. But there is a lot of living space here. You're gonna love it. Now look at this. The way they have your concrete entryway into the house. Lots of desert landscaping. Oh, and over here is an empty lot that they're gonna release soon. But you had some people that already moved in. And here's a gate, entryway. This will be coming included. Security cameras. Look at all this. Natural lighting, glass windows here. And up there. Look at the door. This would be your front door to the house. Glass door. Where do we start? I guess here is your living room, great room area. Into your kitchen. I see a 15-foot long island, LED lighting on the bottom, quartz countertop. This is amazing. Quartz countertop as your backsplash. You have the thermodor burner and your range blower right here. Got dual ovens. Suppose this is your microwave. Yep. Here is your pantry. And I'm assuming this is a Sub-Zero refrigerator. No, it's Thermidor. Everything's soft closing in here. Now, have you ever wanted your own elevator in your house? Because this right here is the elevator that goes all the way to the 3rd floor. You can add this to your house for an extra $60,000, I was told, by the builder agent. 1st floor powder room, Yeah, nice marble in here. Oh yeah, this is textured. Textured tiles all the way to the top. See this side of the island? You got a lovely fireplace down here. Nice marble all the way to the top. 65-inch TV. You got this massive, it's like a 20-foot slider into your mini backyard oasis. You know, you can, I was just told by the agent that you can have this pool included, and to build this pool will be somewhere in the 200,000 for this exact pool. Or you can close on your house and build a pool on your own. Got a little backyard grill right here, 36-inch stainless steel. Nice little area here to enjoy and relax your day. Now, these stairs do come included. And you can go to all the way to the 3rd floor if you wanted to. All right, that was the 1st floor. So now, I like this little water feature right here. Gives that nice zen relaxing. Okay, we're here heading into the 2nd floor. You got modern stereos. LVP flooring. Laundry room. Their office is over here, so we're not going to bother anybody. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, 2nd floor guest bathroom. Nice window here for natural lighting. Yeah, see, this is the elevator for the 2nd floor. There's the button. I'm gonna say this is like the primary master.
And the city has matured, what we've learned about Las Vegas is this is a place that has no limits. There's truly no boundaries. There's a highly competitive attitude in Las Vegas, very entrepreneurial. Most of this is, talking about the strip because that's what's driven things. But with
Fireplace
all those
down here.
ideas and those big, huge dreams that have iterated and
Marble wall all the way to the top. Beautiful.
The other side of that,
look at this lovely mirror.
The construction and the design that needs to go along with all of that. So I was always
into your primary master suite bathroom. Got the 24 by 48 tiles. Floating cabinets. Dual sinks, all marble. Mirrors. Look at this mirror all the way down here. Take a look at your shower. You got textured tiling. Dual shower heads up here. Here's your water closet. Nice modern walk-in closet. You got the little island in the middle. LED lighting between the shelves. Givenchy. All right, so that was the second floor. We're gonna head upstairs to the third floor. I love these invisible stairs. More windows here for natural lighting. Okay. Remember that elevator? This is where the buck stops, here on the third floor. I'm not sure what this is, but it's locked. Now here's the third floor, guest bathroom. You got that textured tiling all the way to the top, LED lighting. I guess this is like a little game room area. Great for entertaining. You have a nice quartz countertop bar here. Bar stools. What's over here? Oh, okay. So that's where the internet, coax, and coaxial cable wires go here. And this is like your amp rack for all the surround sound. Got a nice poker table over here. Golf clubs, okay. Yeah, you got that 1-inch quartz waterfall edge. And into your third floor roof deck. So you got turf installed here, putting greens. So okay, that's why these golf clubs were there. So these play some mini golf up here. Comes with a little outdoor sink. Refrigerator down here. Oops. Okay. Little storage area. So yeah, that is the guard gate here for Southern Highlands Golf Course. And I think that's not one of the golf courses. But that's like one of the walking trails over here. I always see people walking their dogs. That neighbor over there got the pool. Yeah, this is amazing. So there's, I was told there's about 16 lots left for sale. And you can get in here for as low as 1.3 million. And at the high, it's like 1.9 million. Let me know if you could see yourself living here. We're located in the southwest part of Las Vegas. You can pretty much exit the first exit, which is St. Rose, Southern Highlands Parkway. And I'll ask about like the HOA fees and all that. It is gated, so that's a plus. So for all my California friends, Hawaii friends, looking into buying a brand new construction home with modern architecture just like this, give me a call and I'd love to give you a private tour. And with that, I'm heading to this same model in Lake Las Vegas. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.